Another question we get a lot is, you're not a manufacturer, your company is not producing things, you don't have a production line, and so why would we buy from you? Why would we build a relationship with someone who's not the manufacturer themselves? There's other ways of asking the question, which is, are you just an online shop, for example, or why am I buying from a sales agent? I'm gonna get the better deal, if I go to the doors of the factory and get the best commercial deal like that. And so I think it all starts from, can one manufacturer have a broad enough product range to cater for all situations? And I think the answer is no. No matter who they are, no matter what they tell you, some are better than others for sure, but ultimately the answer is no. I mean, everything we do in our product range revolves around Niagara. And so if you take this example, if you go to Tridium, they'll have a great product range. So they've got the JS8000, the Edge, the Supervisor, lots of software options and so on. But then if you need a touchscreen, they don't do it. If you need an MBUS gateway, they don't do it. If you need a BACnet IO module, they don't do it. So then if you're in this space of creating your own solutions, and hopefully by now you start to thinking, okay, Niagara is a key piece in creating those unique solutions, then you have to think, well, the supplier better give me a broader product range that covers everything. It could lead into power meters, for example, could lead into some software options, MQTT, whatever. So you got to be able to cover a more broader product range. So I think that's what we're able to do compared to going directly to a manufacturer. Then there's other things. The experience around it. Us seeing our clients, using different. We have a lot of experience providing tech support. So if you go to a manufacturer and ask them about MBUS, and they don't sell an MBUS converter, for example, it'd be very difficult for them to give you any useful advice other than contact the company you bought the converter from. So I think this one-stop shop philosophy is really powerful. When it comes to commercials, it's a very good reason why manufacturers have this tier of distribution. And so the factories themselves, the manufacturer, they see value in distributors, us keeping stock, taking the heat in tech support and investing in all that. So this idea that you're getting a better deal going directly to the manufacturer, that's just not the case. And so the last one would be, are you just an online shop kind of thing? Yes, you can see products online, you can see prices and so on, but we're very careful to who we give discounts. So we're not an Amazon of any sort. It may look like we are, but we're not. We're very picky to which companies we work with, who do we supply product, who we give discounts, and they are only building automation specialists, system integrators, and companies in the IoT space, metering, monitoring, temperatures, and so on. So there you go. That's the quick answer to this question. Hope that helps you when you're reviewing your options. And if you have any questions, you can always drop us an email. Cheers, bye.